Hello everyone, my name is Albertus, Magnus, Marcelino, Antaputra, and today I'm gonna present about my version of Google search page, which I have here in the right, and in the left is Google's own search page. So here I have the main Google search page, and on the top right you can see there are buttons that can lead us to image search and also advanced search. If I press image search, it will go to Google Images, and I can go back to the Google search page, and if I press advanced search, it will indeed lead me to Google's advanced search. Now, here I can type in any query I want. For example, let's say I type in Japan, and if I press enter or press this Google search button, it will lead me to Google's search page, which is indeed as I written here, Japan. And same goes to Google Images. If I type in Japan, this will lead me to Google's image search page. See, images, Japan, Google. Now, the next thing I can do is I can go to the advanced search page where you can type in words in this text box for all these words, meaning it will show me words that contain Fukuoka and Japan. The exact word or phrase, for example, you can type in Hakata ramen. So it needs to be in the same order as Hakata ramen. And I can type in with any of these words, meaning uh, Tashima, let's say Atishima and Kokura, which are city names in Fukuoka Prefecture. So here the keyword is or. So Google will search for Itoshima or Kokura City. And then we want to exclude this word, Mentaiko. So we don't want Mentaiko in our search. And for that, I have typed in the exact same thing here in Google's advanced search for comparison. And we see that it indeed shows us the same thing. Fukuoka, Japan, Itoshima or Kokura, Hakata Ramen with the double quotes, and minus Mentaiko, just like in Google search page. And it indeed follows the advanced search CSS with the blue button here for the advanced search. The next thing I'm required to do is to add this I'm feeling lucky button, which will take me to the first thing that shows up in the search page. In this case, if I type in Japan, it will lead to Japan's Wikipedia. So if I press I'm feeling lucky here, yes, it will also lead me to Japan's Wikipedia page. Alright. Now, the next thing I'm required to do is match Google CSS. So here I made it almost similar to Google CSS with the logo here, spacing, and a white text box here, and then the two buttons with a small gap in the middle. Not only that, I also followed Google's behavior if I were to minimize the shrink the website page. As you can see, the nav bar remains as I shrink or expand it, and also the elements will go up as I shrink it with no minimal uh, height, just like in Google. Same goes with image search. I don't need to show that. And also for the advanced search, these boxes and also the advanced search button are supposed to expand as I expand it and shrink as I shrink it. And this will also behave that way. And so I have matched Google CSS. So thank you very much for watching. See you again.